Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2016 Buick Encore. For this project, you will need a 13mm socket. Step 1, to take off the battery bracket itself. Just turn your socket clockwise until the bolts itself unloosens. It will definitely free up that bracket. Next, you will need a 10mm socket to take off the negative post from the battery itself. Then proceed to take off the positive post as well. Just turn your socket clockwise until the bolts loosen up, and it will free it up and be able to take it off the battery post itself. Now insert your new battery into the car itself. What you want to do first, you want to connect your positive terminal, then pick up your handy 10mm socket and tighten up that bolt. Your next step is to connect the negative terminal itself. Always connect your negative terminal, which is also known as the ground, the last when you're connecting a battery into your vehicle. So take your 10mm socket and tighten up that bolt, turn it clockwise. And this is your first time stopping by Battery Guyz, welcome to the channel. If we're showing value to today, please like the video itself, share the video, because we are uploading daily videos of all makes and model of vehicles, how we recondition batteries, how we ship out batteries, etc. Now you want to connect your battery bracket back into the vehicle itself, and you want to try to line up that hole which is on the bottom of that battery box and stick in that bolt first with your hand, and to try to get it going good with the grooves first before you want to try to use your 13mm and tighten up that bolt. Once you got it down up pretty good, now you can try to use your 13mm and tighten up. But the lines got to be lined up perfectly though for it really tighten up though. See, as shown in this video, the lines is not correctly lined up, so you got to get the screw lined up perfectly. Once you get that screw down there evenly and get the screw, to smoothly start grooving back into that bolt itself, you'll be able to tighten up with that 13mm socket. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button for us. We'd love to have you as a new subscriber to the channel. And we'd like to welcome our 140 plus subscribers to Battery Guyz as well. Thank you for watching us daily. We definitely appreciate the support. Okay, that's how you install a battery in a 2016 Buick Encore.